Hi, this is Miko
and Mario
from Raccoon's Cave. A few weeks ago we did an unboxing video of the Woody Woodpecker and Friends Classic Cartoon Collection Volume 1, and we've been having a lot of fun watching this. These are really funny, and we're just about done with this now, so it is time to open Woody Woodpecker and Friends Classic Cartoon Collection Volume 2. So this is very similar to Volume 1. It contains 75 Woody Woodpecker cartoons. It's about 8.5 hours long. And yeah, let's go ahead and open it. So I can already tell, we haven't opened it yet, but I can tell the box is very sturdy like the first one, and it's designed with like the holes in here to look like where Woody Woodpecker pecked through it. So, alright, let's open it and see what this one looks like. The plastic on it is a little hard to start. It's packaged very well.
Yeah, which is good. I like when things are like packaged horribly.
Alright, here. There you go. You want to finish that?
Yes.
Just going to get this one ready to compare it.
They're probably going to be similar.
Alright, so we have the very high quality sturdy box with the woodpecker holes through it. Here, I guess I should have shown you the front and back before I did this. So there's the front and the back. And again, it's hard to really express how good quality that box is. It's not like a lot of box sets that are really flimsy. So here's what this looks like inside. And we got I don't know if that's all going to fit, but
They probably won't.
alright, so let's take a close-up look at each of the discs. Here, can you hold that? Thank you. Alright, so there's the first disc. And the second.
And the third.
And the third disc. Yeah, so this is very similar to the first volume. It's almost identical style. With the third disc is in the DVD player right now.
Yeah.
And unfortunately, there was a third set planned, but I don't think it's been made, and I'm not sure it ever will be, so unfortunately this may be it. I would like a third set to be made. This isn't all the cartoons. Alright, so there you go. Now we'll be starting watching these soon. Yeah. Alright. So, if you like this video, please click on the like button, and please subscribe to our channel. And that's it. Thank you, and we will see you next time.